The first step is to enter all the data from the hard copy questionnaire and the Google form into Excel. Next, open the SPSS software. Select a new database. Then import the data into SPSS from Excel. After that, double check the data carefully. Ensure that no data is missing. Go to Variable View and center the align of each data item. Remove the data from the label column. Then set the values after the changing the type from string to numeric. Then, set each item based on the original data by going to the data view. Begin with your gender, faculty, current program, current semester, sport, level of participation, and RQ1 until RQ27. Record questionnaire number 14 after that, as it has a reverse score.
So for frequencies, first choose Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, and choose Frequencies, and then insert the variables, which is gender, faculty, current program, current semester, state of sport, and level of participation. And then click OK, and the data will be shown in the output. For dependent, choose Analyze, and then click on Descriptive Statistic and pick Explore, and then insert the age on the dependent list and change the display into statistic and click OK, and the result will be appear on the output. To compute variable, choose Transform and choose Compute Variables, and then click on the target variable to change it into cognitive state anxiety. Then click on numeric expressions and function group, and then choose statistical and click on sum, and then click on RQ1, RQ4, RQ7, RQ10, RQ13, RQ16, RQ19, and RQ22, and RQ25, and then click OK, and the output and the result will appear on the output. Then continue the same step and change the name from cognitive state anxiety into somatic state anxiety, and change the number on the number is sum of RQ2, RQ5, RQ8, RQ11, RQ14, RQ12, RQ20, RQ23, and RQ26. Then click on OK, and the result will appear on the output. And then continue for the last part, which is to click on numeric expression, clear the sum to put a new number on it, click on RQ3, RQ6, RQ9, RQ12, RQ15, RQ18, RQ21, RQ24, and RQ27. Change the target variable into self-confidence and then click OK, and the result will appear on the output.
Next, we will do for compare means. First thing first, go to analyze and then compare means and then click means. Then click cognitive state anxiety, somatic state anxiety, and self-confidence into dependent list, then click OK. And the data will come out in output SPSS.
For normality tests on gender, go to Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, choose Explore. For the dependent list, choose the Cognitive State Anxiety, Somatic State Anxiety, and Self-Confidence. Factor list, choose Gender. Then click on the bottom right side of the table, click on Histogram, and click on Normality Test, and click on Continue. For the final step, click OK. Repeat the step for normality test on current program. Go to Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, choose Explore. Then factor list, change gender to the current program. For dependent list, still the same as before, then click on the right side of the table, click on histogram, click on normality test, and then click continue, then click OK for the final step.
The final part, which is sample t-test, go to the analyze, compare means, independent t-test. If you have done it, so reset, and then in my case I have to reset it and then enters all the variables, which is the cognitive, somatic, and the self-confidence, and update the grouping variables to gender, insert it, and then define groups. After you have done it, press continue and simply press OK, and the result will be shown in the output data, as you can see here. So that is how it should be done. Thank you.